Chapter 15.
Environment at stake.
Have you experienced a traffic jam? Is the air you breathe during a traffic jam pure? Have you ever seen a drain? Where does it go? Contamination of air and water with harmful substances is called pollution.
Threat to the environment. In our solar system, the Earth is the only place where life exists. Our environment includes all the living and non-living things. Human beings compete with other living things for natural resources and space. Human activities over the years have caused several harmful changes to our environment. Now there is a serious danger of a permanent change to the global environment.
Constant growth in human population and careless way of living are major causes for this. More people means
need for more land for shelter, factories, roads, more vehicles on the road that leads to the depletion of natural resources such as oil and causes the air to become dirty due to the release of harmful gases. Need for fuels such as wood, coal and natural gas for cooking and other household activities also adds up to dirtying the air. Production of more waste that dirties land, air and water. Effects on the environment. Pollution. When the environment gets contaminated by waste, harmful chemicals and harmful gases, we say it has been polluted. There are 4 major types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution.
Air pollution.
Air is one of our planet's most precious things. Living things cannot survive if they don't get to breathe clean and fresh air. Factory chimneys, power stations, aircraft and motor vehicles release smoke and harmful gases into the air. These pollute the atmosphere and cause many serious diseases and health problems. Air pollution may lead to diseases such as lung cancer and asthma.
Water pollution.
Many towns and factories are built near lakes and rivers so that they can use the water. But some towns and factories do not clean the water they use before they put it back into the rivers and lakes. Fertilizers and pesticides used on farms as well as animal manures are washed into rivers and lakes. All these forms of pollution make rivers and lakes become polluted and kill water plants and animals and make the water unfit for people to use. At times, domestic activities also release pollutants such as soap and detergents into water bodies.
Land pollution.
Deposition of solid wastes that cannot be broken down quickly causes this type of pollution. Land pollution is caused when materials such as plastic bags, glass bottles and metal containers are dumped on the land.
Noise pollution.
Noise is unpleasant or unwanted sound. It can upset us, stop us from sleeping, prevent us from working efficiently, and make us ill. Noise has harmful effects on animals as well by causing fear and panic. The adverse effect of excessive noise in our living and working environment is called noise pollution. It is caused by honking vehicles, blaring loudspeakers, and roaring machines. Noise pollution may lead to deafness. Greenhouse effect, the good and the bad. What's a greenhouse? A greenhouse is a house which has glass walls and a glass roof. It is a nice place to grow all kinds of plants. It stays warm inside even during harsh winter. The sunlight filters in and keeps the plants and air inside warm. The heat gets trapped by the glass and can't go out, so it stays warm all through the day inside a greenhouse. Earth, the natural greenhouse. The Earth's atmosphere acts in a way similar to the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide and other such gases in the atmosphere do what the roof of a greenhouse does. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere and warms up the Earth's surface. At night, the Earth's surface cools, release the heat back into the air, but some of the heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So, the greenhouse effect of the Earth's atmosphere keeps some of the sun's energy from escaping back into space. This effect goes a long way in making the Earth a habitable planet. The problem: when the greenhouse effect becomes too strong, the Earth gets warmer. This warmth increases by the day and assumes huge proportions. This is what is happening today. Too much carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the air are making the greenhouse effect stronger. This is leading to a situation called global warming, which means the planet is becoming hotter and hotter.
Greenhouse gases. The sources. Some sources of greenhouse gases are natural and some are human-made. The emission of methane and carbon dioxide are contributing to increase global warming. Greenhouse gases, natural sources, human-made sources. Carbon dioxide. Plants and animals release this in the process of respiration. Natural calamities such as forest fires and volcanoes. Released by vehicles and factory chimneys. Methane. When plant waste gets decayed, this gas gets released. Rice paddy fields, coal mines. Difference between natural effect and human-enhanced greenhouse effect. Ozone layer depletion. The ozone layer is a thin band in the Earth's upper atmosphere. It blocks out the sun's harmful ultraviolet UV rays. If it gets too thin, the harmful UV rays can damage plants and cause dangerous diseases in animals and human beings. Chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs that are used in refrigerators and air conditioners are damaging the ozone layer.